video. This is here, squeaky noises. Put a bit of oil. Oh, any oil will do. Over there too. See, on this side too. Ooh, not too much, like this. Okay. Yes. Up. And don't forget this spring where it rotates. See this spring, and then a bit of oil there. See, over there and over here too. Wow. Yes, great. Wipe off. Well, that's too much. Okay. Then, guys, this one. A bit of oil over there. A bit of oil over there. If you do this once a year, you never have a problem with it. Yes. Wow. See? Yes, that's the way. I like it. This. And of course, the center stand. Yes. Rub it a bit in. So. Okay. Go to the other side. So. Over here we're gonna do the same. Bit there. Bit there. Bit there. Up. Steps. Okay. Okay. There. Then this one. Often forgot this. The center stand. Hop. Wiggle it a bit in. Yes. Now. Wow. Nice.